Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to perform the BCD subtractor. So let's start. First go in components, then all groups, and then search here for the interactive digital constant. We will need 4 digital constant for B inputs and another 4 for A inputs. So total 8 digital constant we are using here. Also we are using NOT gate. So let's connect the 4 NOT gate on the breadboard. Now we will use IC7483N. The same we have used in BCD adder also. You can check out my video. Connect the two IC on the breadboard. Now we are going to use XOR gate, 4 XOR gate for this operation. Now we will need total 5 probes. So search here for the probes. Let's say here I am taking a green color probes. Now I am taking one more digital constant for the carry, and also another digital constant for the carry in of the second IC, and also one more NOT gate. Now our components are ready. Now let's connect the whole circuit and arrange this all the things in a proper way. Now change the position of the digital constant in 90° vertically. Same with the 8 digital constant. So here you can see I have arranged all the digital constants in this way. And now let's arrange the NOT gates. So you have to change it in the rotate in 90° clockwise, same as this. And now connect this to U1 in this way. So now we have arranged our NOT gate also. Now let's change the position of the IC in this way and place it over here. In this way. Now let's connect the whole circuit in this way. Now let's connect all the inputs over here: B4, B3, B2, B1. Now connect this interactive digital constant to CO. Now arrange these XOR gates in this way and connect it to the first IC in this way. Please connect everything in a proper way or else the output will be wrong. Now connect the C0 of the second IC to the second terminal of XOR in this way. Also now connect the probes in this way. Now connect the output of the XOR gate to A4, A3, A2 and A1. Also take one digital constant and connect it to the B inputs of the second IC. Connect everything in this way. Connect the whole circuit in this way, and now let's change the label of the circuit as U1 as B4 and then click on the enter. In this way we have to change all the labels of the BCD subtractor so you can understand in a better way, as B1, B2, B3, B4, A1, A2, A3, A4, and the output as S1, S2, S3, S4, while carry as C in 1, and for the IC2 carry input 2. And in this way you have to do all the arrangements. Now let's change the value and run the circuit. Let's say here I am taking B inputs as 0, 0, 0, 1, and for the A inputs here I am taking 1, 0, 0, 0, it means 8. Now let's run the circuit. Before running the circuit, let me tell you the answer that the output we will get will be 1, 1, 1, 0. So let's run the circuit and see the output. As you are seeing that we are getting the output as 1, 1, 1, 0 and 1 as a carry. So our output is verified and our BCD subtractor is also verified. So this is it for this video. In our next video we are going to perform many complicated circuits. So till then, subscribe my channel and stay tuned for my upcoming videos. Thank you.